FitOn Honest Review. Watch before using. FitOn is a fitness app designed to deliver personalized workout experiences right at your fingertips, whether you're at home, the gym, or on the go. It offers a wide range of workout types, including HIIT, strength training, yoga, Pilates, and even dance, all led by top trainers. The app is completely free to use, but also offers a premium subscription with added features. FitOn is targeted at anyone from beginners to advanced fitness enthusiasts who want flexibility in their workouts. It's designed for people who appreciate guided, high-quality workouts without needing a fancy gym setup. One of the app's standout features is its ability to provide personalized workout plans based on your fitness level and goals. You'll get access to full-body routines, targeted workouts, and even meal plans if you go premium. It also integrates with other fitness tracking apps like Google Fit and Apple Health, so you can monitor your progress seamlessly. The quality of the trainers is top tier. These are professionals who have worked with celebrities and athletes, making the app feel like you're getting expert guidance without stepping foot into a gym. FitOn's interface is clean and user-friendly. The workouts are easy to follow, and the app even lets you work out alongside friends in real time, adding a social aspect that motivates you to stay consistent. One key feature that sets it apart is the ability to follow a workout schedule tailored to your goals. Whether you're aiming to burn fat, build muscle, or improve flexibility, the app adjusts to match your progress and needs. It's not just about working out, but about improving your overall fitness journey with in-app progress tracking to keep you motivated. For the free version, you get a solid range of content, but the premium subscription unlocks a whole new level of customization and features, such as exclusive workouts and advanced tracking tools. The subscription also removes ads, which can be a little distracting in the free version. The only downside is that some users might feel the free version lacks variety in terms of workout styles and advanced routines, but it still offers incredible value compared to other fitness apps in the market. Overall, FitOn is a fantastic app for anyone looking for an affordable, convenient, and comprehensive fitness solution. Whether you're a fitness newbie or an experienced athlete, this app offers the flexibility to meet your goals with expert guidance and personalized routines. So, before you dive in, consider your specific fitness needs, and if the free version isn't enough, the premium upgrade offers even more ways to elevate your workout routine.